Splicing membrane. Mark the rubber approximately 1 centimeter away from the overlap. Fold the rubber back approximately 150 millimeters and thinly apply primer to both surfaces with a scrubber pad. And allow to dry. Align the splice tape to the outer edge and carefully position it with the sticky side down. Carefully remove the release paper and evenly apply pressure. Then fold the rubber over and smooth. Roller for a really professional finish.